Today, we're cooking delicious salmon with orange, a healthy recipe packed with vitamins and bursting with fresh, zesty flavors. First, we'll prepare a flavorful marinade. In a mixing bowl, add 1/2 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 clove of garlic pressed through a garlic press, 1½ teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Mix the marinade thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are well combined, creating a smooth and aromatic base for the salmon. Now, it's time to prepare the main star of the show, our salmon. Take 10 ounces, about 300 grams, of fresh salmon fillet and carefully slice it into 2 even portions. Or you can have already pre-sliced fillets. Then, place the pieces on a plate and sprinkle a bit of extra salt to taste. Coat the salmon evenly, making sure every surface is infused with that rich flavor. Don't miss out on any new recipes. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Put aside salmon and let the salmon soak up all that goodness for about 30 minutes. In a separate bowl, zest 1 orange to release its aromatic oils, adding a fresh, zesty flavor that perfectly complements the salmon's richness. Then, squeeze out the juice from 2/3 of the orange, about 3 tablespoons. Add 2/3 of a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1½ tablespoons of honey, and ½ a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Stir it all together, and just like that, you've created a tangy, slightly sweet sauce that complements the salmon beautifully. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 8 minutes, open the fryer and lightly brush the grill rack with olive oil to prevent sticking. Place your marinated salmon steaks gently on the rack. Set your air fryer to grill mode for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drizzle half of the orange sauce over the top of the salmon. If you like your salmon with a crispy finish, you can cook it for an additional couple of minutes. Ready for the result? A perfectly grilled salmon, juicy on the inside and slightly caramelized on the outside. Place the salmon carefully on your serving dish. Drizzle the remaining orange sauce over the top for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your meal and bon appetit. If you love this recipe, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next episode.